Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you all how to service your AC unit by changing the filter, cleaning the line out, and making sure all trash is out of it. Also, we're going to go outside and check the condenser coils to make sure they're not dirty. So stay tuned. When it comes to servicing your AC unit, you're going to first have to find where your AC unit is located. As you can see in my garage, mine is located above us, but it might be in the corner, inside the house, in a closet, pantry. Just depends on the layout of your house. So take what I'm going to show you with a grain of salt, because a few things are going to be different. The general layout of it and everything will be the same. It might be standing up or it might be sideways like mine, but you will still have a safety switch, a drain pan and plug, and also a drain going outside. All right. Now there are a few things we're going to need to do this servicing. One is you're going to need an appropriate filter. I have a 20 by 20 by 1, and we're going to put a 3M dust reduction filter in. Now, these say last up to 90 days, it's 3 months. I change these once a month, it doesn't matter, because these clog up, and when they start restricting airflow, you can start having issues with your AC unit. Another alternative would be buy these cheap ones. There's 4 in here, and I think they're $1 a piece. They're just a fiberglass filter, or yeah, I think these are fiberglass ones. Recycled media. I'm not sure what that media is. Not sure what the material on these is, but either way, these are the cheap filters. They provide a lot of airflow, but they will not protect against dust, allergens, and stuff like that. Now, when you do get the heavier ones, the purple filters that are hyperallergenic, you will want to change those at least once a month, if not more, depending on where you live. I live in Florida. I use the garage a lot. Doors are open in and out. The filters are going to clog up a lot. That's just how it is. So, you're going to need filters, white distilled vinegar to clean up the line. You're going to need a shop vac and a ladder. That's pretty much it. Let's get started. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and go turn off the AC unit. That is the first step. Remember, don't turn the power off at the breaker unless you have it turned off inside. You want to shut down the system before you completely drain off power. Now, for this simple process, you can just turn it off at the thermostat. Okay, as you can see, we are up here. We have our safety switch. If your AC ever turns off, you can always come over here, pull this out, stick your finger in there, and if it's wet and this has been pulled up, you need to vacuum it out. But ours is good. Our AC is working. We don't need to do that. And you just sit this down gently. Now the water leaking is this condensation, so no need to worry about that. Over here on this T-fitting, this side will pop off. And this is where we're going to pour the white distilled vinegar. Now the white distilled vinegar is to prevent this, the mold that grows from AC units. Especially up here in Florida, we have a lot of humidity, so mold does occur very frequently. And as you can see, it will start to grow on the pipes. So, sorry for the camera, I'm on this ladder trying to film. But this is mold and dust collected. So, we'll go ahead and wipe all that off, and we will pour a half gallon of white distilled vinegar into this pipe. This pipe is collected from this AC unit here. It runs over here, and it will pour outside wherever the locating pipe is. Ours happens to be right on the other side of this wall. Yours might be on a adjacent wall. It could be right below it. It could be a million different places, but just follow that out and you'll see it on the side of the house. Ours is actually beside the fan. Okay, for some reason the camera did not record it, but I will pretend like I'm pouring some white distilled vinegar in here. Remember, half a gallon, close it off. Now you're going to let that sit while you do the next step. Okay, and with the vinegar inside the tube, the AC unit off, we're going to go ahead and remove the filter. Now, on your filter housing, it should say the size. If not, it's pretty simple to measure. You'll just take length by width by depth, and it will give you the size filter you need. Or just refer to the old filter you take out. That filter's had it. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new one in. Good and dirty. 1 month. All right. So all you do is take a water hose, and inside here, the fins, you just wash all them off really gently with soap and water. And make sure all the dust is off of them. And here's that drain tube that I was talking about. You just hook up your shop vac and you can see the stuff is already dripping out of it. I have a power outlet for my shop vac right here beside it, which is pretty handy. You might have to run an extension cord, but you'll just shop vac that line out and you'll be good to go. And just make sure you wash this out. You can use a little bit of mild dish detergent, spray it on there and then wash it off. But you'll see like bugs and stuff will get caked up in there over time. So you want to just keep it good and clean, and you always want to inspect to make sure nothing's really down in there that could be damaging. Alright guys, so now that you have seen how to properly change your filter, clean your drain line and purge it, and also how to clean the outside condenser fan, I don't see why everybody can't keep their ACs running throughout the summer. Now obviously there's going to be issues that are out of people's control, lightning strikes, condenser leaks, just random sensors and stuff going bad in AC units. There's a million things that could go wrong. But if you keep your AC unit in tip-top shape throughout the year and you have it serviced regularly, you won't have any issues. Now these are just tips that you can use to fix your AC, but I do want a disclaimer. I am not a HVAC certified person. I just do this to keep my system running at its best, just with some tips that I've gathered over the years from HVAC techs that came out to service my AC units before. And I have to say, one of the biggest things I've been told lately is do not use bleach in your PVC line. Use the distilled white vinegar. Several HVAC techs have told me this. Also, when we bought this house, they said do not use the commonly used bleach. A lot of people pour bleach down there. I've done it at my other house for years. It's what we were told to do. But it's white distilled vinegar. It works great. It gets rid of the algae, the slime, the mold, and keeps everything running good. Now also be aware that animals, insects and lizards and frogs like to get in your drain lines, and they can plug them up from time to time. So just be careful of that as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, guys, and like this video. And as always, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way every time I upload a video, you get notified.